In today's video, I'll teach you how to add link to your Facebook Reels. So first of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Now if you want to add the affiliate product link, what you have to do is tap on this option dashboard. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the dashboard interface. At top, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option monetization that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for affiliate product and tap on it. Right now it is not available for me, but what you have to do is select the product that you would like to promote. After you do that, select the option for add to new reel. Now simply create the new post like you usually do and the link will be added. Likewise, you'll also be able to add the link to the existing reels. For that, what you have to do is go back. Now create and upload the reel like you usually do. After you do that, tap on this option reels. Now you'll be able to see all of your reels over here. Tap on the reel where you want to add the link. Now after you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option manage product link that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add the product link over here. Tap on the field of URL. Now you can simply enter the product link over here. After you do that, you can also enter the link name and existing promo code. You can also add the paid partnership label if you want. For that, toggle this button on. After you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen and the link will be added to your reel. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you add link to the Facebook reel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.